everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gabby. Today we're going to be making a chocolate chip and M&M cookies. First, these are the ingredients that you need. You need sugar, brown sugar, you need flour, you need M&Ms, you need a little bit of salt, you need chocolate chips, you need a little bit of baking soda, and you need butter, you need an egg, and you need vanilla. First, guys, we are going to be adding the butter. Butter. Okay. Then the next ingredient is the brown sugar. Oops. Okay. So I think that's all. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna add all of the white sugar. Okay. Good. And then we're gonna be mixing it. So you're gonna be adding a little by little into the mixture while it's mixing. Okay, so that was all the flour. Now we're gonna let it mix until it's the right consistency for the dough. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. You can choose whatever you want, M&Ms or chocolate chips, but I love M&Ms, so I'm gonna go for one. Let me try one. So we're gonna be adding all of this because I really love M&Ms. And we're just gonna be mixing. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, let's start mixing. The M&Ms. I really like M&Ms. Okay. So this is what it looks like when it's mixed with the M&Ms. It looks a lot like sweeter. Okay, I think I'm gonna have the whole dough. That's good. Now we are gonna be adding the dough in the tray. Okay, you can use a spoon. Okay, and then you just put it there, but don't make them too small. Okay. Wow, I can't wait to taste these. They're just so amazing. Makes me like I want to eat it right now. And I can't wait to try it because I really love M&M and cookies. See? Don't make them too close. They have to be social distancing. Remember, not only people are supposed to social distancing. Even food have to be social distancing. Like these. A little bit. So you can be social distancing 6 feet apart. So then 1, 2, 3. So guys, we added the cookies in. Now it's time to go in the oven. And we're gonna bake it at 375 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. So it's time to go in the oven.
A few moments later.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay guys, this is the moment I have all been waiting for, is to eat it. So I'm going to be trying one. And let's see how it tastes. Mmm, so good. Mmm, so delicious. It's really good, and it's really chewy, and I really like how it's chewy. Because it's easy to eat, and it's also very yummy. I could eat this all day. Mm. Good. So good. Okay guys, so that was it for the recipe. I hope you like it, and I hope you learned how to make the easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!